A security alarm system is designed to detect unauthorized intrusion into a building or area. They are used in residential, commercial, industrial, and governmental properties for protection against theft, property damage, and intruders. Some security alarm systems have a single purpose of solely burglary protection, while other burglar alarm systems provide both fire and intrusion protection. Intrusion alarm systems can be combined with CCTV surveillance systems to automatically record the activities of intruders and access control systems for electrically locked doors. Security alarm systems range from small, self-contained noisemakers to complicated systems with computer monitoring. At United Safety and Alarms, we can customize a security alarm system for the specific needs of your location. For a free consultation on what security alarm system would work for you, contact us today at 1-800-940-4112.